All right, so next up, we're going to be turning our cameras in a little bit, going to basically, we have a demonstration.
It's exciting. We've been like watching out of the corner of our eyes as he's setting up. And I mean, it is phenomenal.
Yeah, so if you guys hear some moving and everything coming on in the background, that's, Blake is really setting up. So Blake Miller is from Ozone Purity. He's give us some education just about our blood, and oxygenizing our blood and things of that nature.
I mean, even just in talking right before we came on the show, in 5 seconds, I learned so much. So I can't even imagine when you go to use his services in his business, the amount of information you're going to learn.
Yes, and he said he's been in this space for over 20 years.
Wow.
26 years total.
26, well, and he doesn't look like he could be, so that definitely talks about what he's doing with his business. So we're going to let him finish setting up, and when he gives us the look, we're going to run over and show you what he's got going, because it's pretty cool.
All right. So, even when you're talking about things, so as an athlete or whatever, you talk about things dealing with your blood. I didn't recognize like what he was talking about with just oxygenizing, how you can cure a lot of different ailments and illnesses and things of this nature. So he's going to do a demonstration. He's basically going to draw blood, take that blood sample, put it up under the microscope, give this young lady.
Let's have him tell us, Jamil, because
yes.
I feel like we're going to say
Blake,
we're
you
going to
can
say
talk.
the
Your
wrong
mic
things.
is on, Blake. You can.
So Blake, so Blake, we're normally, this is new for us. Usually we sit in the chair and talk. This is very exciting. So tell us a little bit about what you are doing here, because this looks so scientific and cool. What is happening?
So we're looking at a live blood sample today. This is a dark field microscope, and we're going to take just a single little droplet of blood, and we're going to feed the image here through the camera, and then it'll be right here on the television.
Okay.
So we'll be seeing the blood live as this moves around real time in the body. So we'll see the culprits of cold hands, cold feet, headaches, fatigue, neuropathies, all those bad circulation issues. We're going to uncover that today. I'm going to show you guys how to fix it.
Wow. So just from one drop of blood, you can tell all of that.
Oh yeah, I can see digestive issues, liver function. I can tell you if you're having brain fog, why you have cold hands, cold feet. The fatigue is all in the blood. So today we're going to show you the world's best blood and body oxygenator. We're going to take some drops of that product in some water, and then we're going to have my volunteer here drink that and do a second specimen. It'll look beautiful under the microscope.
Wow.
So I have to see this myself.
Come this way, Jamil. Come over here so you can see. I'm glad it's not me in there, so you'll see everything going on. All the stress and everything would show up in there.
Right.
So, but we got Victoria. She's real healthy, so.
Oh my gosh, I can't watch it.
I know. He gets squeamish, poor guy. Jamil. Good thing you're not a woman and have to have a baby. That'll be good for you. Your wife's like, yeah, about that.
Yes. All right.
Don't look.
We're just going to do a little droplet.
Wow.
So we'll feed this image here. Drop that there. And
He poked you. She's like, I thought it was going to be on a show, and instead I got stabbed.
There's some tissue there.
This is amazing. Okay, so, and the screen, tell us what's going to be happening on the screen, if you don't mind.
As soon as I get this focused, we will be feeding the image into the television there.
Wow. Science is amazing.
I know.
Like, this is so cool.
I need to get this focused right. Sorry, y'all.
Jamel, you want to get your finger poked?
No, I'll pass. But the one thing is, a lot of times when you get your blood, you're getting your blood work done, you go in, give blood, and then they send your blood off, and you have to wait like 2 or 3 weeks before you get any results back.
If you even get an email with the results.
But now it looks like you get it instantaneously.
Yeah, this is incredible.
Yes.
So what you're saying is by drinking the formula, it really helps your
yes,
change?
it'll oxygenate the blood
That's
entirely.
amazing. You're going to be oxygenated today.
Yes, I just need
You're
to.
going to be getting ready to start that day.
Go back to work, jumping off the wall.
Sherry's going to be like, what did you guys do to her? This is exciting. It's happening live. This is cool.
Right?
This is cool.
Okay, just about there, y'all.
No, you're good.
It just takes me a
Here's
little
what
while
you
to focus this in.
So where is
Okay.
your office for people who
So
are excited
we
to come?
are all online. I am available for private consultations. And, okay, we got it here. So,
He'll come to your house, bring the microscope, do everything right in
Is
your
that how it works? So if I'm,
I'm just, I don't know if that's how it works. I'm
he's
just,
spreading lies, fake news with Jamel.
so,
Oh, wow.
So let me show you, guys. These are red blood cells, okay, and these are all clumped together. And this is coming from basically a lack of minerals in the water, a lack of oxygen in the water, and it's not allowing the water to get into the cells. See, when you don't have any sodium present in your water, sodium is a gatekeeper to allowing water in the cells. So when we don't get it in there, all these cells get congested. See how thick these are? And this blood has to fit through a capillary, which is one little cell in width. So when you see these giant clumps, we can't really get blood through the what they call microcirculation. So we're going to take some water here. We're going to give her some of this product, drop it in the water, and it's going to electrify the blood, oxygenate the blood, and allow all that blood to squeeze through those tight capillaries. Because this is your culprit of your headaches, your fatigue, your cold hands, your cold feet, all the bad circulation issues, congestive heart failures. It's all about having that blood perfectly symmetrical. But water alone will not fix this. You have to have water with the minerals, with the oxygen. So now we need to give her some water.
You gotta look, Victoria. Wait, you gotta see this. This is amazing. This is in your body. That's so cool.
So those are red blood cells.
all right.
Well, he didn't shout out he saw anything crazy, so that's a good sign.
And ladies and gentlemen, I have to tell you guys, he just set this up
In 5 seconds.
in 5
Yeah,
seconds.
it was really fast. Normally I would,
Drink all of it?
not all of it, but a lot of it.
But a lot of
A
it.
lot of it.
It's just like all that water.
No, I'm live TV.
All right, dear, start drinking that for me.
Okay, all righty.
And now we're going to go over the blood a little bit more. So it'll take about 5 minutes for that to absorb
Okay.
into the cells, and then it's going to oxygenate these red blood cells, full and full of oxygen, and the blood will be beautiful in just 5 minutes.
Wow. Okay, so in this 5 minutes that we have, we want to talk about you and your business and all of the things that you do. So for people out there who are as excited as I am, because this is absolutely incredible. I mean, so how did you get into this? Because this is
I have
fascinating.
been involved. This has been my calling since I was 24 years old. I'm 48 now. I've been working with ozone therapy for 26 years. And now our company, we manufacture probably some of the best ozone generators in the world. We use the same design that Nikola Tesla used from the 1900s. All our
Wow.
machines are all lifetime warranty. And ozone and oxygen therapies is a great way to address the toxins in the body, the viruses, the infections, a lot of the things we just can't really get rid of. And it's just a way to keep us very on point and never sick.
So is this something that you drink every day? Just
So
drink
this
when
is
you're
our
feeling under the
flagship
weather?
product, and yeah, we drink this every day. You drop this simply in the water, and it'll make the blood beautiful. And yeah, and I'm available for private consultations. If you guys want to look at your own blood, I put together a plan for you, and we go over everything: your digestive system, your liver function. I go over why you don't have any energy, and I show you how to have the best blood in the world, so you don't have any pressure issues.
I'm wondering why I've never heard
We need
of
our
this.
livers checked.
Yeah.
I like a margarita, guys. I'm glad you're not looking at mine. So yeah, I agree. I've never heard of this either. And this is, I mean, this is something everyone, frankly, should be doing.
Yes.
Yes, we're living in a very toxic world, and we have to embrace detoxification. Because if we don't, we're just going to end up getting, you know, all these diseases and aging prematurely and all this nonsense. But if we embrace the detoxification with ozone and oxygen, it's a means to keep ourselves very clean and pure.
So is there anybody who should not be doing a treatment like this? Is there anybody that's not a good...
I mean, this is safe for everybody. We use our products for animals, even on
wow.
infants. Yeah, they're safe for everyone.
Okay.
So what other products do you guys
So
have?
this is our flagship for the oxygen, and then we have another product that we use for fungal toenails, UTI, candida, parasites in the body. It's called BioPurity. We have another great product called EndoPurity, which will harmonize the thyroid function. It's an amazing potassium iodide. So if we start having cysts on the glandular system, it's usually our go-to for that. We've got some sulfur that also breaks down calcification. So when we have like cysts, tumors, arthritises, cardiovascular plaque. It's a great way to just dissolve that out of the system. But our main specialty are the ozone generators. The ozone therapies where we take oxygen and we electrify it, and then we'll run that into the body. And that will address toxins and disease and infections and all kinds of viruses that the body can't get rid of. All these things are anaerobic. So we are aerobic beings. That's how God designed us. And when you have a high level of oxygen, all those anaerobic things cannot exist in you. Okay, so the idea is to keep the body full of oxygen, full of clean, and that's the best recipe for the ultimate
good
prevention.
over there, girl.
How are you doing over there? You ready for your second
Keep
one?
on drinking.
We're ready.
So when
No, look, she thinks she's at a party right now. I can already see.
go.
Come on down.
Chug.
So she's gonna get another prick.
Let's see, this is Picky.
Look, you don't need an assistant. We got an intern. We got an intern for you. Close your eyes. Close your eyes, Jamel. Look at it. So when somebody's coming
So
to
easy
you,
that came out of your skin?
when
I'm sorry?
somebody, so it comes out differently
I had
as
to
well.
mash it before, and it just popped out of her skin instantly.
Wow.
So we're going to take that droplet, put that right there.
Your napkin.
That's her old one. So we're going to pull out the old one. Here's the old one. And no, guys, this is not a pre-recorded video. This is live. So I get accused of that sometimes.
No,
It's such a dramatic difference when we do the blood. So, oh yeah, so as you can see, we have totally restored the oxygen to the
Oh my
blood cells. We've
goodness.
hydrated the blood cells, and we've restored their zeta potential, surface charge, or voltage. We have to understand, guys, that we are more electrical far more than we are chemical. And to create this blood, you have to create electricity, which comes from oxygen, electrolytes, and good water. None of us have enough minerals in our water. And so unless you have some sodium or some minerals in the water, it will not get into the cells. So we achieve what they call intercellular hydration, because all these cells themselves have to respirate. So if they're congested, they cannot breathe themselves. Also, we've improved the microcirculation, because as blood goes through capillaries, it can only go through there one cell in width. So now you fix the high blood pressure issues, you fix the headaches, the fatigue, the cold hands, the cold feet, because now you can get blood into the extremities through that narrow channel called a capillary. That's super important.
So for people who want to come to you and they don't know which thing to look at, I'm amazed by all the things that you listed. What do? We reach out to you and you put together a plan for us by looking at our blood, or what is the step?
Well, on a personal level, yes. We would, if you want to do a consultation with me, we would do a droplet of your blood. I go over everything with you, top to bottom. Digestive issues, we go over a diet, until you got to exercise, the right types of water, so you have perfect blood all the time. And then ultimately, our ozone systems for homes and families. This allows families to treat themselves with ozone and oxygen, so they have to leave the house, and now they've got something that can address, viruses and infections, and ultimately detoxify the body. Ozone therapy is really our specialty. We've been doing ozone for 26 years now.
This is incredible.
So we
I have a question coming over the waves right now. But so with this, is it scientifically proven? Is FDA approved?
Well, it's not FDA approved. Ozone therapy has been done medically since the 30s. The Germans were the first to use it in the 30s. There's now over 1,700 ozone clinics just in Russia, and it's pretty much done all over Latin America now. So it's done on a global basis.
Wow.
So it's just a type of an oxygen therapy. So it's beyond the hyperbaric. We're taking oxygen and we electrify it, change it to ozone. We infuse that into your body, generally through heat or through steam, through one of our saunas. And that's the best way. So we have been in Dallas, Texas for the last 20-something years. So now we are taking over South Florida. Right. And we just got going here. Should I sit here?
Yeah,
you come in.
I just got going here about 2 months ago. So
2 months. Well, welcome.
Yeah.
How are you liking it so
Delray.
far?
This place is paradise.
Yeah.
So.
Well, I have to say, this is
Incredible.
Here, I think I'm purchase a bottle from you.
I got some for y'all.
I'm like, I need all of this checked.
So once again, before we sign out, can you give them the website and your contact information?
Yeah, so my website is ozonepurity.com. All my social medias, I'm known as the Ozone Guru on TikTok and Instagram. We have a YouTube channel called Ozone Purity. And if you want to get in touch with me personally, just reach out to the website or message me on one of my social medias. If you guys live local, I love to meet with somebody personally and do some private consultations. And then if you want to invest in one of our ozone systems, you have a med spa or a day spa or any wellness center of any kind, we love to partner with you. Like I said, we've been doing this for 26 years. and we love to show what we've been taught.
I mean, this was incredible. Like seeing the difference, like in not even 5 minutes.
It's a powerful demonstration, and
Yeah.
I've tested about 300 formulations of products to find out which would change the blood the fastest, and this has been it. So what we've done is we've bound oxygen to sodium chloride. Okay, sodium is what allows water into your cells. Potassium holds it on the outside. Oh, sorry.
Yeah. Don't
So-
go to the website for all that.
Oh, sorry. Never mind.
Right.
Well, I am absolutely blown away. I have never seen anything like this, and I can't
Yeah.
wait to talk to you and learn more because this is really, truly something special.
Absolutely. Well, we're here for you guys.
And thank you very much for coming
Thank
on
you.
this morning.
Thank you very much.
Thank
My
you.
pleasure. Thank you.
All right. So I have to say, this is phenomenal. I definitely want to do some more research and dive deep into
Yes.
into this product. I mean,
Yeah.
it's wonderful.
This
So-
is very cool.
and we've seen it right before our eyes.
Yes, exactly. Like you said, it was not pre-recorded, which it was very cool. I wasn't expecting this to be as quick and as much of a shift as we just saw.
Right. All right. Well, thank you guys very much for joining us. Once again, have a Delray day. Peace.